Hi friends, welcome my channel. Here you'll find exciting product videos, honest reviews, and the latest tech and gadget discoveries. Top 5 Best Product Reviews. Number 5. Description: 1. Children's Savings Piggy Bank, simulated fingerprint unlocking, purple light currency verification, large space password setting. 2. Version upgrade, choose as you like. 3. Fingerprint password recognition, 1 click to open when the door is closed. Number 4. Specification: name, touchscreen piggy bank toy, color, black, red, brown, light red, silver, rose gold. Product size, 13.4, 13.6, 19.4 cm/5.27, 5.35, 7.63 inches. Applicable age, 3, battery, 3 AA. Number 3. Features: this item is an electronic money box, but not just a money box, it also a cute toy, automatic eat cash, can store coins and cash. Large volume, perfect for children, cultivate saving habits, ATM mode and password, fingerprint, makes much fun, fashionable design and high quality. Number 2. Electric cartoon piggy bank with fingerprint and password protection for extra security and fun. Features automatic cash deposit slot, coin storage, and safe style design for realistic pretend play. Encourages kids to save money while enjoying interactive play. Perfect gift for children. Number 1. Children's ATM piggy bank with secure password protection keeps coins and cash safe while teaching smart saving habits. Fun, creative design for boys and girls, featuring automatic bill intake and coin storage. Perfect educational toy gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Visit the description below for the product link. Thank you for watching my informative video.